guys, it is Keith Rainville here. We are going to show you how to use a funnel to acquire email addresses and get business at the same time. Okay, so guys, this is what I used in my jerky business to get $50,000 plus in sales in the first year and acquire an email list of over 4,000 people, which I was able to get residual orders every single week, or when I ordered them for when I sent them for specials. Okay, so this is very important. So what we're going to do here is we're going to add a new funnel, and I'm going to show you how to use this program because it's pretty simple stuff. Okay, so this is all drag and drop, and what we're going to do is we're going to create a new funnel, and all we want to do is basically we're going to use a sales page with this, but we're really going to collect emails, and we're going to sell a product, but I'm going to show you how to get around this and do this collect email thing. Okay, so we're going to call this beef jerky funnel. Let's do promo. Okay. All right, and I'm going to put it in my shared funnels so I can share it with people. Okay, and then now I'm going to build my funnel. So now what it's going to do is it's going to ask me what kind of funnel do I want to build. By collecting emails, it just gives me just a simple 2-template option here. So we're going to choose these pages. So one is the opt-in form, and the second is the thank you page. And that's the page that's actually going to be clicked onto your website to go to your website. We're going to give these guys a magnet, what's called a magnet. So we're going to offer them something that's irresistible, free shipping, and a promo code, or maybe a free bag of jerky is what I did. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for a simple opt-in. I'm going to scroll down here, and you see up here, guys, so you're following along with me. There's the opt-in page. Okay, so now this is really simply just a web page, all right? And it just will float around there on the on our Facebook ad. And let me just do something like something simple. Okay, so this right here, we can also review this, guys. So I'm just going to look for a simple funnel that I can set up in here in just a few minutes. Okay, so this has opt-in. I can put some stuff here. I can change the colors and stuff like that. So that looks like something I can work with, okay? So let me get back here, and I'm going to actually select that template. That's going to be my opt-in page. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and select a thank you page, okay? So after I do this, I'm going to go back and rework both of these pages and set them up, in accordance with my offer. Okay, so now we're looking for our thank you page, and again, I'm just going to choose something simple because I want to just show you how fast you can make a funnel like this. Okay, so we're just previewing the funnel. That's the thing in the back. We can change all of this. So yeah, we'll select that one real quick. Okay, so now we have really our 2 steps to our process, and this is basically the link right here or right here that gives us the link to this first page in the funnel. So it's very simple. We're going to go to the first page and we're going to edit it. Okay. So that link that I was just showing you is the one that you'd put in Facebook, and everything, when they clicked it, they would go right to here. So here's a for instance of what we're going to do here. First of all, we're going to go and we're going to set our let's just say we wanted to set our logo there. Okay. So let me do this. Let me just go find a logo over here. One of my companies. Let's just say, again, this is Fat Yankee. So we're going to let's do this. Okay. There we go. All right. Now, and I can make this bigger and so on, and I can change the top margin and so on and so forth. I can actually make the logo bigger here, and I can actually put a URL, that for Fat Yankee Jerky that they can click right here. Okay. So let's do free beef jerky promo. Okay, and so let's see what else we can do over here. I'm going to put let's go claim your offer. Claim your promo code and free jerky. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how how this works. Okay, so I'm going to offer the customer a free beef jerky bag. Okay, it's going to be a 1.5 ounce bag or whatever your smallest bag is. Excuse me, my eyes are itchy. It could be 2 ounces. So what I did was my bags were $8. Okay, so now they got that was my 3 ounce bags, but my smaller bags were, I think it was approximately $3.99. They were okay. So what I did is uh, that I gave them one free, so they could actually buy one bag of beef jerky and get another 1.5 ounce for free. So they would have to spend the minimum they would spend is $7.99, which was one bag of my beef jerky, and they would get free shipping. And when they bought that bag of beef jerky, it would be included in that would be a free bag, a 1.5 ounce bag of teriyaki. Okay, so they got free shipping. They bought a bag of beef jerky of any flavor for $7.99 to qualify, and then they got a 1.5 ounce bag of beef jerky for absolutely free. Okay, so you're saying to yourself, Keith, how did you make any money on that? Well, I actually made about 50 to 60 cents, but it's okay. I didn't want to make money on that. And the reason why I did this was because of the fact that I want to get customers. Okay. So once I knew that when they tried my product, I knew that they would like it and they would reorder more. To tell you the truth, most of the people who got the beef jerky ordered more than one bag as well. Okay, so that was a pretty cool thing. So I was never just really selling $7.99 bags. I was actually selling sometimes bigger orders of $20 to $50 as well. Okay, so that's one reason. So now we're gonna just set this up. The rest of the promo. Okay, so we've got to just make some finishing touches here. All right, I'm going to make that a little bit bigger. Click the settings key here. And I can actually make that as big as I'd like. As well as I can make this logo a lot bigger as well. So let's try to keep it uniform. And let's just do something like that. Let's make it obnoxiously goofy. All right. So I've got this set here. Do you like beef jerky? Sign up for our mailing list and receive your unique promo code for 10%, 10 to 15% off in free beef jerky. Okay, so claim your free jerky promo code. Okay, get your whoops. Okay, I'm gonna put over here. I'm gonna erase that. Get your free 1.5 ounce bag ounce bag and free shipping. Okay. Now on my Facebook ad, I've had the offer say you get a free 1.5 ounce bag. Okay. So I'm going to change this. Okay. I'm going to put get my free bag right there. Okay. Okay. So we've just put that in, and I just added this. Okay. So get one free 1.5 ounce bag when you purchase one bag at $7.99. So the premise of this, guys, is really having a good offer, and then that's basically it. So this is a what I think is a pretty good offer. You're either going to give them free shipping, so you got to give them something to get something, and so you give them the free shipping, and we're giving a free bag away. We're giving away the store here. And you wouldn't believe how many customers, I mean, 4,000 in a year, and we didn't go crazy, running this thing either. Okay, so then you just basically go down here, put your company name in, and your terms and conditions, and so on and so forth. Real simple. So I hit save. All right, and then I go to my next page, and then this is the thank you page. All right, and I'm going to edit that as well. All right, so they're emailing, and I'm going to put done. You can give the promo code here to their email. Thanks. Let me see. Here is your unique promo code. Okay, and you can use like 10 off or something. Okay. All right. And it's real simple, guys. You can just drag in. I mean, everything is point and click, and it's just like so simple to work with this stuff here. Okay. And then what you do is basically take this link and attach it to your shopping page. Okay. So they could use this. You also just do a little bit more explaining over here on how the program works. You buy, $7.99 bag. Buy one bag at $7.99 and receive one free 1.5 ounce bag and free shipping. Okay, so now, and also you have to explain that they're going to get the 10 off, but you don't have to even give them that. Okay, you can just put a promo code here for free bag. Okay, and then that could be the promo code, and that could be the offer without giving them the extra 10% off. I don't know why I did that either, because I didn't have to. And then this is it here. We're just going to change this, what this says. And then we can pick my flavor so it's not such a chore. And then when we set action on here, what we can basically do is hit the settings key. We go set action, and then we put in the URL here, www.fatyankeejerky.com. Okay, pretty simple stuff. Open in the same window. I never do that. Open in a new window. And then we hit save here. And that was how fast we built this funnel. And again, guys, if we spent some more time on this, we could get the ad copy, a little bit more fine-tuned and things like that. But I really just wanted to give you just an in-service on how easy this software can make you a ton of money. So think about this. So we hit save here. And we go back. And then what we do is if we run a Facebook ad, we can very simply take this here. Let me just copy that. I copy it right here, the URL. And we take this URL, and then what we do is we just paste that into our Facebook ad, okay? So that's what the URL looks like when I copied and pasted it. And then when we do our Facebook ad copy, we still do the thing that says, hey, claim your jerky, get one 1.5 ounce bag absolutely free when you purchase, or just spend $7.99 on my site or $10 at my site, whatever it may be, and you get free shipping, guys. Okay, so I wanted to put this together today because this is one of the software programs I use for a lot of things. I actually have 2 accounts with ClickFunnels, and it's just a great software for opt-in, getting emails, and getting people that are interested in your product. And that is actually the most important thing, is when people opt in and give you their email, they're genuinely interested in your product, and you'll have many opportunities, unpaid opportunities, to resolicit them on email. And guys, that's what marketing is all about. You're in business to sell your jerky, and this is a great way to do it. Okay, guys? All right, thanks for watching, guys. We'll talk to you soon.